gagawin namin ngayon, subtraction with regrouping and with regrouping. So, ito yung activity nila for this week. Kahapon lang naman siya binigay. Kaya, ngayon pa lang namin gagawin. So, ngayon, ang pinapagawa ko sa kanya is, isusulat muna kung ano yung menuin, subtrahen, and the difference. So, ikukopya niya muna dito sa kanyang notebook. Okay. And then we have a lot of activity to do this morning. Okay? Okay? Ha? Ang likot naman ni Budang. Oh, bilisan mo yung yung copy. And then we have to answer those And let's check if your activity is correct. Okay? Ayusin yung sulat. Subtracted. R. Maliit lang yung R. Number 3 is 618 minus 103. Tapat-tapat yung number. Equals. Okay, next. Number 4 is 726. 26. J, kunin mo muna ito, J. Minus. Bigyan mo ng notebook dyan. 200. Ano ba yan, BJ? 15. 1 muna. 5. Ayun ako. Equals. Guhit sa baba. Okay, next number 5. Number 5 na 8,000. Pwede naman iurong yan, 8,000 5,3,4. How did you read that? 5,000. Basahin mo muna. 8,000. 8,534. Okay, minus. Ilan yung minus? Minus ano?
2,123.
Okay, so yan. Sagutan muna. Equals muna dyan. Dito, sagot muna dito. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Ilan?
5.
Tapos 1 minus 0.
Equals 1.
Tapos 6 minus 1.
6 minus 1 equals 5.
Okay, check. Ilagay mo muna dito, check. C-H-E-C-K. Okay. Next. So, 103 minus 515. Ilagay mo doon. 100. Sige na. 500. Plus. Magiging plus yan. Dito banda yung plus. 103. 3. Okay. So, to check if your answer is correct, you are going to add the subtrahend and the difference. So, 5 plus 3 equals?
8.
1 plus 0
equals 1.
Tapos 5 plus 1
equals 6.
Ilan yung sagot?
680.
Are they the same?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, gano'n naman dito. 726 minus 215. 6 minus 5
equals 1.
2 minus 1 2 minus 1
equals 1.
7 minus 5 7 minus 2 pala
equals 5.
Okay, ang sagot mo is
511.
Okay, so let's check if your answer is correct. Put the word check. Tapos, ano yung i-add natin? What number we are going to add?
First is 1.
Okay, the first one is the answer. And then, what number we are going to add?
This one.
Okay, 200. 15. You have to say the word 15.
15.
Okay, then you have to put add plus. Okay. 1 plus 5.
1 plus 5 equals 6.
1 plus 1 is equals to
2.
5 plus 2 equals
7.
so what is the answer?
726.
Okay, is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, next number. Basahin mo na yung number. 8,000
8,534. 2,000
minus
minus 2,123.
okay, so let's answer na. 4 minus 3
1 minus 3 equals 1.
3 minus 2
Equals 1.
5 minus 1
Equals 4.
8 minus 2 is tagal naman.
6.
So how much is your answer?
6,411.
Okay, let's check your answer if your answer is correct. How will you check that?
First,
Kung mali yung spelling mo, okay, tama. First, you have to write
the answer.
answer.
6,411.
Tapos, what is the number you are going to add?
2,000.
You have to put it there na.
2,000.
2,000, ano?
2,123.
What will you do that? If you are going to add or minus?
Add.
Okay, add. Ang likot naman ni Budang. 1 plus 2.
3
4 plus 1.
equals 5.
5. 6 plus 2.
8.
Okay, what is your answer?
8,534.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Number ano na tayo? Number 6, we have, basahin mo nga.
9.
Anong 9?
9,641 minus 3,510.
Okay, 1 minus 0.
1 minus 0 equals 1.
4 minus 1.
Equals 3.
How about 6 minus 5?
Equals 1.
Next is 9 minus 3.
6.
Okay, so your answer is?
6,131.
Okay, check your answer if it's correct.
It's almost done. Later we go into exams.
Yes, check your answer.
First,
the answer. And then the second one is the subtrahend. Subtrahend tawag dyan This one yung nasa taas what we call the minuend. Subtrahend. 3,500. Okay.
10.
Go ahead. 1 1 plus 0.
equals 1.
3 plus 1.
Equals 4.
And then 1 plus 5.
Equals 6.
And then 6 plus 3.
Equals 9.
Okay, is your answer is correct?
Yes.
Look at that. Is this the same?
Yes.
Okay, you forgot to put a comma on 9 and 6. Okay, next. Number 7 is, what is your number for number 7?
7,629 minus 3,510.
Okay, next. Your answer is, ano yun? 9 ba yun? Okay, 9 minus 0.
Equals 9.
2 minus
1
1.
equals 1.
6 minus 5.
Equals 1.
7 minus 3.
7 minus 3 equals 4.
Okay, so your answer is
4,190.
okay, check your answer if it is correct.
The answer
4,000. What's that?
that is 2D.
4,100. Ayusin mo yung 9 mo. Plus,
Plus
the subtrahend.
the sum
What is the subtrahend? 3,000. 10.
10.
Listen mo.
This is the last one.
9 plus 0.
Equals 9.
Okay, 1 plus 1.
Equals 2.
1 plus 5.
Equals 6.
4 plus 3.
Equals 7.
Okay, is this the same?
Yes.
Meaning your answer is correct. Okay, next, number 8, we have...
This is the last one.
Yes, that is the last one. What is the number for number 8?
6,148.
Ano? Ulitin mo.
6,148.
48. Bakit nag-ano ka? Naghihinto. Oh, next, minus...
Minus
Ano?
1,027
Okay. 8 minus 7.
equals 1.
4 minus 2.
Equals 2.
1 minus 0.
Equals 1.
6 minus 1.
Equals 5.
Okay. Your answer is?
5,121.
Check if you're correct. If your answer is correct. So, what will be the first number you are going to write?
The answer.
Okay. What is the answer?
The
What is
minuend.
What is the answer? This one. What is the answer?
Difference.
5,000.
5,121.
And then mine plus.
Plus
What number you are going to add?
1,027.
Okay, what do you call that? Is that the menuend or the subtrahend?
Minuend.
Menuend yung nasa taas. The second one is the subtrahend.
Subtrahend.
The answer is what we call the difference. Okay.
And 1 plus 2 equals 3.
Huh? 7 yan, no? One plus 7.
1 plus 7 equals 8. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Hindi kasi maintindihan yung sulat mo.
1 plus 0 equals 1. 5 5 plus 1 equals 6.
Tama ba?
Yes.
Eh no, 1 plus 7 yan. Okay. So you have to remember how to check the difference. Okay?
Okay.
You are going to write first what do we call this one?
And
Answer or the difference, and then you are going to add the menuin or subtrahen?
subtrahen.
Okay, ulit. You have to write first the difference or the answer, and then you are going to add the subtrahen to get the answer. If the number that you add and the number here at the top is the same, meaning to say your subtraction is correct. Okay?
Okay.